The USA just beat Paraguay 4-1. One more win and they're through. Next up, Australia, the match that could decide the group. Here's the situation. The USA leads Group D after a perfect start. 3 points plus 3 goal difference. Beat Australia today and they're almost certainly into the knockouts. Slip up and the final game gets tense. So who's in the way? Australia, the Socceroos. No superstars. What they have is organization, work rate, and a refusal to quit. They'll defend deep, stay compact, and make the USA earn every yard. Sound familiar? It's the same wall Paraguay tried to build. Why does this one matter so much? Win, and the USA controls its own fate, likely through with a game to spare. Draw or lose, and everything rides on the final match. One result here can flip the whole group. Let's read the group like a coach. USA win, through, top of the group. USA draw, in control, but a nervy finale. USA lose, suddenly it's must-win football. Same team, 3 very different next weeks. 3 things to watch. Number 1, break a packed defense. Against Paraguay, an early goal, then patience. Australia will sit even deeper. Watch the USA move the ball side to side. That's how you pull a wall apart. Number 2, set pieces. Against deep defenses, corners and long throws decide tight games. Australia are big, physical, dangerous in the air. Watch the box on every dead ball, both ends. Number 3, the counterattack. When the USA pushes everyone forward, they leave space behind. Australia's plan, soak pressure, break fast. Watch the USA defenders. Do they hold their shape or get caught upfield? Before kickoff, lock your prediction. Final score? First goal scorer? Drop it in the comments. After the Paraguay call, let's see who's still hot. Wrong guesses are free. Right ones are bragging rights. Quick recap. USA can all but book their spot today. Australia will defend deep and counter. Watch the wall, set pieces, and space behind. New to all this? Grab the free soccer cheat sheet below. After the whistle, come back for the breakdown. See you at kickoff.